Hold your ears, folks. She's going to bark. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that track's got a little slime on it. He felt that is an experienced bull right there. He just walking around waiting for that thing to bite, and it just slipped. You heard him getting that throttle, and it just went up a little bit where there's nothing there. Green flag, Mr. Tony Fratelli. Say about that Ford fans, where you at? Sit there in the pits and they watch what goes on. And he gave it a heck of a shot. Power. Mr. Chatelaine, we've got the green on the sled. He's got green on the track. 21 Ford Super Duty call. I'm going to go on a limb and say that hit the boat. It does happen from time to time, folks, and there is safety equipment. There should be a kill switch back there that is hooked up to a cable on the sled. When they come up, it kills the ignition box, fuel pump, etc., etc. It will kill that truck so she can't run away any further than what it does. But hey, Burn and churn